Introducing Cards Widget in Prolaborate. Prolaborate has introduced a new feature called Card View for reports, offering a convenient way to view project data. It presents information in a clear and visually appealing format, making it easier to grasp important details. Let's see the benefits of Cards Widget. Embracing minimalism. A clear and streamlined format not only enhances comprehension but also accelerates decision-making processes, ultimately improving overall communication effectiveness. Enhanced strategic planning. Cards report are instrumental in guiding strategic planning and decision-making by providing data-driven insights, aligning goals, optimizing resource allocation, assessing risks, and enabling continuous performance monitoring. There are various types of Cards Widget. Count-based Cards Widget. Count-based Cards Widget is one approach to present data in compelling and insightful ways. This type of card is useful in displaying count of individual type artifacts, cost of single entity such as number of applications in the application inventory, cost of spent on a specific application. Sum-based Cards Widget. The sum-based Cards Widget displays a final number by summing property values. These widgets are valuable for insights like total application expenditure, achieved by summing individual application costs. Filters can focus on specific areas, like calculating total business application spending. Percentage-based Cards Widget. The percentage-based Cards Widget calculates the percentage. In this example, we've displayed the percentage of applications in the sunset state relative to the total number of applications. This calculation is crucial as it offers a clear insight into the proportion of applications approaching the end of their lifecycle compared to the entire application portfolio. Advanced Cards Widget. Writing queries provides us with the flexibility to do more than simply display numbers and percentages. With the Cards Widget, we can present data based on specific conditions. For instance, in an enterprise setting, the Cards Widget could showcase the current status of the majority of applications. To explore these features, upgrade to Prolaborate 5. For more information, visit our website.